from the peak of a mountain 60 meter high. The angle of depression of the top and the bottom of a tower are observed to be 30 degree and 60 degree. Find the height of the tower. Since the angle of depression are made from the peak of mountain to the top and bottom of the tower, it means mountain is higher than the tower. That means it is mountain, that AB is mountain and CD is tower. It is tower. Now from the peak of a mountain 60 meter high, it is 60 meter high, the angle of depression from the top of the mountain to the top and bottom of the tower are 30 degree to the top and bottom is 60. Draw a line. We have CM is parallel to AX, therefore XAC is equal to ACM. Alternate angles are equal. Similarly, angle XAD is equal to ADB. It is 60 degree. Now height of the tower is given. We have to find the height of the hill is given, and we have to find the height of the tower. That it is H. CD is the tower. Also CD equal small h. Now there are two right angle triangle. First is ADB, it is right angle triangle, and second is ACM, it is also right angle triangle. Now in triangle ADB, apply tan 60. Tan 60 degree is perpendicular upon base. Tan 60 value of tan 60 is root 3. AB is 60 meter and BD is unknown. Then BD equal 60 by root 3. Now rationalize the denominator. We have root 3 by root 3, 60 root 3 by 3, then it is 20 root 3, means BD is 20 root 3 and BD is equal to CM. Opposite sides are equal. Then CM is also 20 root 3. (20 root 3). BD is CM. CM is also 20 root 3. Now in triangle ACM, we have tan 30 degree equal perpendicular, means AM upon CM. tan 30 is 1 by root 3. AM is equal to AB minus BM. BM is equal to CD, means it is equal to small h. BM is equal to small h. Then AM equal 60 minus h. Since CD equal BM, then BM equal to CD, means value of CD is h, BM equal h. Now AM is equal to AB माइनस BM, मीन्स AB में से जब BM हटाएंगे तभी तो AM बनेगा. AM is equal to AB minus BM. Value of AB is 60 minus BM is small h. No, AM is 60 minus small h and CM. Now root 3 cancel out. We have 20 root 3 by root 3 equal 60 minus small h. Root 3 cancel. Then h equal 60 minus 20. Value of h is 40 meter. Value of h is 40 meter, and it is answer.